Well, let's start saying that Alstom is a world leader in integrated transport systems. And would you have ever traveled by train or metro in Europe, Africa, or India? Or would you have traveled by tram in Dubai? Or you would have traveled in an Alstom-built vehicle. I would say that learning is a key issue for Alstom because we need to transfer knowledge and build the trains and every transport equipment locally where we sell them. So I'm from Gaillard. I'm in charge of learning for Alstom Group, and I strive since 2016 to build a digital learning ecosystem that enables people to learn and share their knowledge anytime, anywhere, from any device and any content. So it has to be fully at a WADAC, and including the possibility to display virtual reality, especially thanks to the creation of content through authoring tools dedicated to that. When it comes to learning, it's quite well known and demonstrated, I would say, by neurosciences, especially, that the closer the learning is from the real life situation, where you will have to perform, the better the performance is. Immersion is key to learning, and virtual reality is extremely effective, especially if you cannot expose people to dangerous situations, if you cannot mobilize expensive materials or locations. Immersion comes also with the capacity to interact and learn by doing, but also feeling strong emotions like fear of the danger, or fun for succeeding, and that's something that strengthens the learning. In our case, another constraint was that the best experts in the world, I would say, are our own internal experts. And displaying virtual reality content required first to create virtual reality content internally, thanks to the authoring tool that Uptale is. For instance, we have to train people with regard to risks and on safety trainings, with regard to activities on tracks and works on tracks. And before, we were running classroom training sessions and also combined with on-site workshops in test centers we have. And we could hardly train more than 30 people per year, mobilizing expensive means so to perform this kind of training. And we've naturally moved from 30 people hardly trained per year to more than 100 people trained in 3 months. So now we are gathering thousands of sessions that are opened on the platform. And it's also that the satisfaction and the recommendation through the Net Promoter Score we used to assess has improved, and we have moved from a 33 Net Promoter Score with a classroom typical session plus on-site situations to a 55 with this new setup. And it's not only for safety trainings, of course, that we have used Uptale. We are using also Uptale in more and more in virtual visits, especially in order to perform the induction of new joinees in the company. And if you take the example of Tarbes, which is a production site in south of France, we used to perform inductions with 4 or 5 people together with a cost that you can imagine for such an induction that was around 500 euro per new joinee, to a situation for which today it would not cost more than 16 or 17 euros per person. We are using this also in the domain of ergonomics training and extending, of course, to production activities. And I would say that, as a conclusion, the success of our business comes clearly with the capacity to transfer knowledge worldwide. And this digital learning ecosystem that's now fully at a WADAC, thanks to also the inclusion of virtual reality with Uptale, based on self-made content, we can clearly contribute to future-proof our business.